Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here is what's happening from November 10th to November 16th. On Monday, November 11th, there will be no school in observance of Veterans Day. Be sure to acknowledge a veteran if you know any and enjoy the day off. Tuesday, November 12th, is the start of our high school Spirit Week celebration and the board competition. There will then be a Parent Association general meeting from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Wednesday, November 13th marks day 2 of High School Spirit Week, which will hold our logic competition as well as our performance dress rehearsal for all included from 3:35 to 5:35. Wednesday is also World Kindness Day. Be sure to exude kindness all day and show charged behavior. Thursday, November 14th will be day 3 of High School Spirit Week. This day will hold the performance competition during the day, and after school will hold our high school radio bingo dance. Friday, November 15th, our final day of High School Spirit Week, will announce our winners of this year's Spirit Week competitions. This Friday will also be a student government sponsored dress down day. Be sure to abide by our school's dress code and enjoy the day. And that is it for the event preview for this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.